Hello and welcome. This video is about how to set up the Spreadsheet Fund add-on for Google Sheets. This add-on allows you to run and completely manage your mutual fund inside Google Sheets. In a nutshell, it's automated back office for your investment fund. It simplifies and automates portfolio tracking, accounting for investor shares, performance recording, fees taking, and more. So in this video I am going to show you how to install this free add-on and set up a fund. Let's go. In order to install the add-on, just open any empty spreadsheet in Google or create a new one like I already have done. Then click on the add-ons, Get Add-ons, and type in the search bar Spreadsheet Fund. This is the add-on we needed. Just click on the free button. Google will ask for your permission. Log in and click Allow. Now we have installed the add-on. Next step is to initialize our fund. Look closely here on the whole process. We just click on Add-ons, Spreadsheet Fund, Setup, Initialize Fund. Here we are going to enter initial config, then to download the templated sheets, fill balances and initialize funds mutual units. Let's go. It is not as difficult as it may seem. Here we enter the symbol for your mutual unit. It can be anything, for example, buy. Then the symbol of base currency. The base currency is the currency in which you will calculate the profit in your fund. You can enter any fiat or cryptocurrency, actually any symbol which is available on the tickers sheet. For example, let's use stablecoin TUSD. Next, you need to fill in the second and the third additional currencies in which you want to keep statistics and accounting. For example, it will be Bitcoin and Russian rubles. Now click on the Load Templates button. Then click Yes in this dialog. What is happening now? Technically, the add-on is copying and pasting the special prepared templated sheets into your current spreadsheet. Done. We see the Help Wizard tells us that we need to fill in all the balances and then initialize funds shares. Okay, let's do it. Type symbol and amount in these two columns. Optionally type label and proof link to the Blockchain Explorer. And we see that all balances appears on the portfolio sheet. So we need to enter all the balances to know exactly the current total value of the portfolio, which we can see here in base, second and third currencies. To simplify the process of filling balances, add-on can synchronize them from some exchanges and wallets automatically. Let's set up this in Settings. Go to Balances tab. Click on the Add button. Then select Exchange or Wallet from available list. And enter your API keys in case of exchange or addresses in case of wallet. Good. I already have filled my balances. Click Save button. And then click Update Balances button. All synchronized balances appears on the right section of the balances sheets. All the balances from the left and from the right sections are summarized and displayed on the portfolio sheet. Now, after all balances are taken into account, the last step remains to initialize fund units. Let's update market rates to get actual portfolio value. Then click on the add-ons, Spreadsheet Fund, Setup, Initialize Shares. Enter the identifiers of your shareholders. It can be names, nicknames, or something else. Enter their shares and the initial price of fund unit. For example, 1 TUSD. And click the Initialize button. Click Yes in the dialog. What has just happened here? On the Issuance tab, we have issued fund units for all initial shareholders with the initial price of unit equals 1 TUSD. The number of record rows equals the number of shareholders. Once the record occurs on the issuance sheet, it will affect on this investors sheet. On this sheet we can see investors' shares, balances of units, values, lifetime profits and losses, and etc. So our fund is successfully initialized. All balances and initial shareholders are taken into account with mutual units. What next? You can accept new investors, account deposits. You can account withdrawals and transfer of the units, take customizable fees from your investors including performance fee, and perform your investment decisions and trading. With your investment decisions, your balances will change. Balances and market rates will change the final value of the portfolio. The final value of the portfolio and the number of units in circulation will change the final price of unit. The price of unit represents your fund performance rightly. I think it's simple. Okay, we are done. That's all I want to tell you about. The link to the Spreadsheet Fund add-on website you can find in the description to this video. Thank you and good luck with your trading and investments.